guys, so today we are going to be doing a springtime look. So let's get to it. So we're taking the Wet n Wild Ultra Ultimate Brow Kit in Ash Brown, and we're gonna take this nice light brown all the way up to like here so I can get a nice natural looking brow and it's not like too dramatic. So now that we have some nice brows on, let's put some eyeshadow. But I'm probably gonna use my highlighter as my eyeshadow today and just do it as everything. Yeah. So this is probably my most basic springtime look other than the eyebrows. Sometimes I don't go out with eyebrows because I'm lazy. So yeah. And for everyone who's like, oh yeah, no, Korea springtime probably isn't that bad. The pollen's not that bad. Your allergies just No, no, no. In Georgia, we had a nice thin layer of pollen everywhere. And that was fine. No problem. No allergies whatsoever. I get to Korea, bam, bloody noses because of all the pollen and the yellow dust. So, everyone in the South, y'all got some pollen. We know this. But Korea has yellow dust and it's worse. So that's why I'm not doing foundation because nose will be running and everything and I don't need that with my foundation. Just ugh. So this is my springtime look based on me to say. So yeah. So now let's get into MAC mineralized skin finish in Global Glow, and this is gonna be my eyeshadow and my highlight. So let me just put that everywhere. I forgot to put a primer on my eyes. So let's get Urban Decay's primer. Our Urban Decay primer and prime our eyes. So now we're gonna go in with Wet n Wild waterproof eyeliner, and this is what I use all of the time. stuff is the best. So just gonna do a nice basic line, and I hope I can do a line, like a nice basic wing. Lately I haven't been able to, so we'll see. So there's my eyeliner. Looks about even. Could be better. Anyways, not too terrible. So let's put on some mascara. So my normal mascara. This doesn't do anything. Beauty gurus do it all the time. Doesn't do anything for me. Alright, so normal mascara. And put that on and I'll be right back. So I got my mascara on and time for setting spray. So for lipstick, I'm gonna use one of these two. It's a L'Oreal Paris Hip High Pigment Shine Struck Liquid Lip Color. Yeah. So these things smell so good. Like, they smell kind of like cookies. Yes, they smell so good. Oh my gosh. So I love these. I think I'm gonna go with the gold one, which is called Harmless, and then the other one that I have is Pretentious. Wow, I can't spell. So I also have Pretentious, but I'm gonna go with Harmless. Oh, it smells so good. It's kind of like gingerbread. I love this stuff. Alrighty, so I think that's about it. And I will probably do another video tonight. So this is my third video in one day. And yeah, it's been pretty fun. So I might do another video in a second. And it'll probably be on my septum piercing and how I clean it and caring for it and everything I do on my septum piercing. So go watch that video. And I hope you like this video, so please go like and subscribe and watch every other one of my videos. And that's about it. So, bye!